Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is production for Dutch Ministry of Defense. Begins at VDL borne, unmanned vehicles, batteries and drones. Production for the Ministry of Defense of the Netherlands has officially started at VDL in Born. The site will manufacture unmanned vehicles for Milrum Robotics, batteries for military use for Tulip Tech, and drones for Delta Quad. Minister Ruben Brekelmans signed contracts with the three companies, marking the beginning of large-scale defense manufacturing in Limburg. The equipment produced at VDL will strengthen both the Dutch armed forces and those of Ukraine. Normally, setting up defense production takes years, but at VDL the process will proceed much faster. The first production lines are expected to become operational within a few months. The Ministry of Defense is leasing 120,000 square meters of production halls and facilities at the site, where many necessary permits and infrastructures are already in place. This enables rapid commencement of production activities. The cooperation with VDL is structural and will last for at least 10 years. Additional production lines will follow in the coming months as part of a long-term strategy to strengthen the security of the Netherlands and Europe. According to Minister Brekelmans, in order to continue to support Ukraine and deter Russia, it is necessary to scale up defense production quickly. This involves innovation and industrialization, speed and scale. With VDL and other modern companies, we can achieve this as the Ministry of Defense. VDL is the new flagship of the Dutch defense industry and is now in full swing. Willem van der Leegt, president and CEO of VDL Group, stated at VDL Nedker in Born, "We have proven that we can combine large-scale production with technical precision and scale up complex processes. We are now applying that experience to the needs of, among others, the Ministry of Defense. If the need matches our competencies or those of our partners, then we are ready. With craftsmanship and sufficient space and availability of power, we are helping to scale up a strong and innovative defense industry here in Limburg." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.